I'm going to be showing you how to tag some sentences on Reddit. So on Reddit, tagging some sentences usually means quoting text or highlighting part of a comment or a post, and here's how to do it. So the first you need to do is open Reddit. As you can see, it's right there at the top. Just go ahead and tap here, and once you're there, what you need to do is find the sentence you want to tag. So what you need to do is add this button right here on the first line and on the second line. So you can just quote specific part while replying, and then the highlighted text will automatically appear in the post. Now you can just tap on reply right here. So Reddit would automatically insert this as a quote. If you want to turn something bold, you can also try this as well. So now as you can see, this has been bold. You can also try italics by using a single star and also strike. This is completely up to you how you want to try it. So as you can see, this is quoted right here. So that's how you do it. That's how easy it is. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.